Okay, as you can see, we are driving the V8 Tower. Still needs some tuning. I'm being easy on it. Definitely think I'm going to need to curve the distributor. Definitely going to have to mess with the carburetor a little bit. Speedometer is going to need some serious calibration. Doing more like 40. Reads about half speed. But that's all stuff that's fairly easily fixed. But it runs good. Runs real good. I've been cruising it around for about 20 minutes. Yeah, make sure you have your windows down and no exhaust leaks if you drive one around without the doghouse in it. Just makes it easier to make adjustments. Yeah, it's about as hot as it'll ever get, even sitting in traffic. About 185, 190. Great oil pressure. Definitely tell it don't have overdrive. Yeah, it pings just a hair. Well, we're driving it down the road. I mean, just a solid weekend of distributor recurving, timing adjustment, just taking my time and going through the carb and just ironing out the kinks. Man, we're gonna be there, dude. This thing's on the road. We're there. I'll see y'all next week.